After cleaning the milk line, the next step is to clean the auto frother, and we recommend rinsing this on a daily basis. So we're going to remove the auto frother by taking the top cap off, and we're going to remove the next piece and push that little button in there and just wiggle that off carefully, and that pops out. Then we're just going to undo the top and the second bit and just give that a rinse inside there, just under the tap, just to remove any milk debris, and that'll keep it nice and clean on a daily basis or every couple of days. We recommend daily because the better the cleaner that is, the better coffee you're going to have. Put it back as you took it apart and put the cap back on. They all just click back in place, and then slot that in until it goes click, and the lid back on, and that's all done. So that's the second part of the daily milk line clean and frother clean.